Welcome to lecture on binary number system. Myself, Dr. D.S. V.Z.K. Kaladar, Associate Professor, Microbiology and Bioinformatics, UTD, Atal Bihari Vajpayee University, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. In this lecture, we'll see about how the computer stores the data in the form of binary digits and also know about what is a decimal system, what is a hexadecimal system and what is the octal systems. Binary number system. It is also called as binary numerical system. In digital electronics, a binary number is a number expressed in the base 2 numerical system or binary numerical system, which uses only two symbols, that is either 0 or 1. The base 2 numerical system is a positional notation with a radix of 2. Each digit is referred to as bit. Hence, 0 or 1 has been stored in the form of bits. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. In the decimal system, the power of 10, that is 10 power n, will be taken as an important notation. For example, 1, 10, 100, thousands are the decimal systems. The binary numbers use power of 2, that is 2 power n, effectively doubling the values of each successive bit as 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, etc. Here 2 power 0 is nothing but 1, 2 power 1 is nothing but 2, 2 square will be 4, 2 cube will be 8 and so on. The binary system is used by almost all modern computers and computer-based devices. Any number can be represented by a sequence of bits. That is, it is called as the binary digits, which in turn may be represented by any mechanism capable of being in two mutually exclusive states. Any of the following rows of symbols can be interpreted as the binary numerical value. The value of 667 can be represented as 1101100101, where in the electronics the 1 will be in the form of S and 0 will be no. So hence these forms can be used in some of the binary clocks. A binary clock may use LEDs to express binary values. In this circuit, each column of LEDs show a binary coded decimal numerical of the traditional time. Hence, the decimal number can be converted to binary number and the binary number can be again back converted to decimal numbers. So hence in the compilation process, the computer will take the decimal number and converts to binary number, and during the execution process, the binary number will be converted to the decimal number and the execution of a numerical or the textual character forms can be taken as output. Let us see how a decimal number is converted to the binary number. Here is one of the example of the conversion of decimal to binary with a numerical value 4. Hence the decimal value will be mentioning like 4 of 10. Hence each decimal value if it is being taken, it should be divided with 2 and the remainder value will be kept in the side. Hence the first one 4, if it is divided with 2, 0 will be remainder. Again 2, if it is been divided, if it is been multiplied with 1, that is 2 1 jar 2, so 0 is remainder. 2 0 jar 0, 1 will be the remainder and 0 will be end. So hence from the bottom to the up, if it is been written the digits, so hence 0 1 0 0 is the value of a binary for the decimal value 4. Let us see how the binary value has been back converted to a decimal value. In the previous slide, we had seen about 0100 of 2 will be the value for 4. Let us see how it will be converted. So hence in the previous slides, we had seen the numbers which starts off 2 power 0 as 1, 2 power 1 as 2, 2 power 2 as 4, 2 power 3 as 8. 0, 1, 0, 0, 8, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4, 8 like that. So 0 multiplied 1, 0, 0 multiplied with 2, 0, 1 multiplied with 4, 4, 0 multiplied with 8 will be 0. Hence if we add all these numbers, we will get 4, which is a decimal number. So hence like this, the binary can be converted to the decimal numbers. This is how the decimal number and the binary numbers will be showing. If you see 6349, 9 will be in the ones position, 4 will be in the tens position, 3 will be in the hundreds position, and 6 will be in the thousands position. In the same manner, the binary numbers will be in 1101. 1 will be the 2 power 0 position, 0 will be 2 power 1 position, 1 will be 2 power 2 position, and 1 will be 2 power 3 position. So coming to how the binaries will be taken in the addition. If there is 0 plus 0, it will be noted as 0. 1 plus 0 as 1, 1 plus 1 as 0, with a carry 1 to the left, and 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 1, with a carry of 1 to the left. Coming to the example of two binaries addition, 1 1 and 0 1. In the beginning, 1 and 1 and 1 and 0 has to be seen. So 1 and 1, as in the case, so 1 and 1 will be the 0, where 1 will be carries to left. Hence in the second column, so it will be 1 0 and 1 as it is carried. So it become 1 and 1, it will be 0, and again 1 and 1 as 1 will be carries to left, again that one will be written in the below. So hence 1 0 0 will be the addition, which is equal to 4. This is another example of how the binaries will be added. 1 and 1 0, where 1 will be carried forward, 0 1 as 1 is carried forward, and 1 and 1 0. So 1 and 1, again the triple 1 and 1 will be written and 1 will carry forward, 1 0 1, so 0, 1 1 again 0 and 1 will be carried forward and 1. Hence finally we will get 1 0 0 1 0 0. As a binary, if it is being converted to the decimal, it becomes 36. Hence we had seen the binary system and the decimal system. Apart from this, the hexadecimal number system is also one of the important topic. The base 16 hexadecimal number system has 16 digits, 0 to 9, followed by 10 as A, 11 as B, 12 as C, 13 as D, 14 as E, and 15 as F. Hence here is the representation. 1A 9B means the B is represented 16 of 0 position, 9 as 16 of 1 position, A as 16 of 2 position, and 1 as 16 of 3 position. Here is an example how to convert the hexadecimal number into the decimal number and decimal to hexadecimal. First let us see about the decimal to hexadecimal. Hexadecimal means 16, so hence we have to divide the decimal number with 16. So 746 and 16 into 46, it will become 736 and 10 will be the remainder. So hence we have to write as A. Again the 16 2s are 32, 14 will be the remainder. So 14, the letter representation is E, and the 2, so 16 zeros are 0, so 2 will be the remainder. So hence the decimal number of 746 will be written as 2EA in the hexadecimal system. Again while conversion, 1A 9B as an example, 1 into 16 power 3 plus A as 10, so 10 into 16 power 2 plus 9 into 16 power 1 plus B as it is 11, so 11 into 16 power 0. So hence this is the hexadecimal system where the ASCII code, that is American Standard Code for Information Interchange, will be used for having the symbol with the hexadecimal. Apart from decimal system, binary numerical system, hexadecimal numerical system, octal numerical system is also one of the important topics. Binary is also easily converted to the octal numerical system since octal uses a radix of 8, which is a power of 2, so namely 2 power 3. So that is, in octal system, 3 binary digits will be represented as octal digits. The correspondence between octal and binary numericals is the same as for the first 8 digits of hexadecimal. Binary 000 is equivalent to the octal digit 0. Binary 111 is equal to octal 7 and so forth. Here is an example how octal can be converted to binary. Octal of 0 as 000, 1 as 001 till 7 as 111. So converting the octal binary digit as 65 of 8 will be, so 6 is equal to 110 and 5 is equal to 101. So hence 65 of 8 can be written as 110101 binary. In the similar case, 17 of octal can be written as 001112. So hence an octal to the decimal can be converted as 658 as 6 into 10 8 power 3 plus 5 into 8 power 2 plus 6 into 8 plus 5 into 1, that is 53 of 10. So hence 127 octal can be written as 87 of decimal. This 87 decimal can be converted to binary. Here is the memory capacity conversion chart. So hence we can say as 1 byte is equal to 8 bits. 1 kilobyte as 1024 bytes. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabytes. 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 gigabytes. 1 pentabyte is equal to 1024 terabytes. 1 exabyte is equal to 1024 pentabytes. 1 zettabyte is equal to 1024 exabyte. 1 yottabyte is equal to 1024 zettabyte. Hence, in conclusion, the number system that are familiar in everyday is the decimal number system, which is also commonly referred to as base 10 system. The string of 8 bits such as 11000110 is termed as byte. A collection of 4 bits such as 1011 is smaller than a byte and hence it is termed as nibble. Humans about numbers using the decimal number system, whereas computer use the binary number system. These are the references used in the presentation. Thank you.